Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a slow panning effect on CapCut. So I'm just going to first go to speed, normal, and make it a little bit slower and add in smooth slow motion, and also select optical flow. For your video it takes longer, but it makes the slow motion smoother, as you can see. So just check your video out a little bit. Okay, then go to effects, go to video effects and select distortion. Add in ripple distortion to the video. Have the blur to 0, the twist to 0, the intensity to 40, okay. Sharpen 0 as well, size 15, and you want speed to be at 40. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!